Before we get into the main topic, let's take a little bit of time and revisit databases. We know that a database is made up of various tables, and each table is made up of various fields. The question we're exploring today is, why are there multiple tables? As report designers, our lives would be much easier if everything was in a single table. Take these two tables at the top of the screen, for example. If all of the information was presented as a single table, like it is here at the bottom, we could much more easily design our reports by getting the data that we want from this singular table. So why then a database is designed with multiple tables? Let's add a few data entries and see what happens. In this example, the pet table has multiple entries that are linked to the person named Ash. Again, we can simply display all of this information in a single table, as you can see down here. However, what would happen if there was a third table? With the third table that only has two entries, we've needed to double the number of entries for the person named Ash. As a report designer, this still isn't really a problem for us, but if we think about the people who need to maintain this table, the problem with using a single humongous table becomes evident. Imagine if Ash's phone number here is incorrect. In this single table format, we'd need to change 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 separate entries. Of course, in a real database like the one used by Attaché and Clearview, there wouldn't be just a handful of entries, there would be hundreds or even thousands of entries. Can you imagine needing to make changes to 1,000 entries for something as simple as a change in phone numbers for one customer? This is why it's impractical to have all of the information in a single table. What we can do instead is temporarily create tables made up of all the data that needs to be related to each other when a report is run. In fact, this is exactly what we've been doing the whole time. When we say select name and address from the people table, we're creating a temporary table that has these two fields in it for the purpose of running a report. Table joins is simply the next step in this process, which will let us construct our temporary tables using fields from two or more different tables at the same time.